Welcome to this training on DOE's Zero Energy Ready Home version 2 program requirements. In this session, we'll break down what it takes to certify a single-family home under ZERH, how builders, raters, and verifiers fit in, and what the mandatory checklists and performance targets look like. Our goal is to make this both practical and clear, so you can apply it in the field. To start, only certain housing types qualify: detached single-family homes, duplexes, and townhomes. Both site-built and modular homes are eligible. Remember, local codes always apply, and in many cases they'll be more stringent. For example, if Appendix RC of the 2021 IECC is adopted in your jurisdiction, you'll need to meet both the ARI from the code and DOE's ARI target. Before a single home can be certified, both builders and raters have to be official DOE ZERH partners. Raters need to complete DOE's training modules and hold credentials from a recognized home certification organization. Without this, they cannot perform inspections or submit certifications. The certification process starts with energy modeling. You use approved software to generate an ERI score, and it has to meet or beat DOE's target. Once construction is underway, raters inspect twice, before drywall and at final, to make sure the home complies. The last step is submitting everything to an HCO, who issues the certification. Now let's look at Exhibit 1, which lays out the mandatory requirements every zero-energy ready home must meet. These are the non-negotiables, the checklist that every builder, rater, and verifier has to follow for certification. 1. ZERH National Rater Checklist. The first step is documentation. A certified rater completes the DOE ZERH Single Family Homes version 2 National Rater Checklist. This ensures that every item is formally inspected and recorded. 2. Energy Star Baseline. Next, the home must be Energy Star certified under version 3.2 for single-family new homes. This creates the baseline performance level that ZERH builds upon. 3. Envelope. Ceiling, wall, floor, and slab insulation have to meet or exceed 2021 IECC UA levels. And windows must meet high performance requirements that are climate zone specific. The envelope is about keeping energy inside and unwanted air out. 4. Duct system. All ducts and HVAC equipment must be located inside the home's thermal and air barrier boundary. This drastically reduces energy losses from leaky or poorly located ductwork. 5. Water heating efficiency. There are 3 ways to comply here. Meet DOE's efficient hot water delivery design requirements. Use water heaters and fixtures that meet efficiency criteria. Or certify the home under WaterSense labeled Homes version 2.0. The goal is faster hot water with less waste. 6. Lighting and appliances. All major builder-supplied appliances, refrigerators, dishwashers, washers, dryers, must be Energy Star certified. 100% of lighting must be LED, and every bathroom fan has to be Energy Star certified too. 7. Indoor air quality. The home has to be certified under EPA Indoor Air Plus. And for colder climate zones 6 through 8, a balanced ventilation system with heat recovery, HRV or ERV, is required. 8. Renewable ready. Every home must complete DOE's PV ready checklist. This means setting the home up for easy future solar installation, even if panels aren't installed right away. 9. Electric vehicle ready. At least one parking space must include a 240-volt, 30-amp receptacle within 6 feet of the garage or driveway. The electrical panel must clearly label it as electric vehicle charging. 10. Heat pump water heater ready. Every fossil fuel water heater must have a dedicated circuit installed within 3 feet, and enough clearance, at least 3 by 3 feet, 7 feet high, to allow a future heat pump water heater to be added. 11. Heat pump space heating ready. And finally, the home must include a branch circuit or conduit for future heat pump installation. It needs to be labeled clearly as, for future heat pump. This future-proofs the home for electrification. So those are the 11 mandatory requirements for ZERH certification. Think of them as the backbone of the program, covering energy, durability, water, indoor air quality, and future-ready features like EV charging and heat pumps. Every certified zero-energy ready home must pass each of these items without exception. To put numbers on it, Exhibit 2 lays out the target home specs. Target home specifications, Exhibit 2. HVAC efficiency. SEER 16 to 18, HSPF approximately 9 to 9.5 depending on climate. Infiltration. 2.75 ACH 50, CZ 1 to 2, 2.25, CZ 3 to 4A, B, 2.0, CZ 4 C7, 1.5, CZ 8. Windows. U values 0.40 to 0.25 depending on zone. SHGC adjusted by climate. Doors. U value 0.17 to 0.30, SHGC limits by climate. Ducts. Must be in conditioned space with no leakage outside. Water heating. UEF is greater than or equal to 2.57 for electric, is greater than or equal to 0.95 for gas, propane.